Chicken. That is it. That is it.
And you're also involved. Yes.
No. How do you react to this, and how confident are you that you'll be able to produce Mr. Emefiele on the 15th of November?
Well, first of all, we would thank God for today, that what happened in court was the victory of the rule of law and due process. We thank the agencies of government, the DSS, the EFCC and the Ministry of Justice and the federal government generally for complying with the order of court that was made on the 2nd and reiterated on the 8th to produce the Mr. Emefiele in court. Now, he was produced in court, and if you recall, part of the order was that he was to be produced for the purpose of being admitted to bail. The court has admitted him to bail, and the terms have been perfected, and he's free to go home and return for arraignment any day. The court will take his arraignment. Tentatively now, 15th of November.
So 15th of November is just like a week from now.
Yes, next week Wednesday.
If you represent Mr. Emefiele in that very case, will you be able to talk with him, or will you have this period of time to liaise with him and get his
No, those are the representation as it relates to that criminal charge is a different issue. Our concern here is that we've dealt with the fundamental right issues. The court has given us an added obligation, and we are going to ensure that that is carried out. What the court did was to state that all of us are players in the administration of criminal justice system, and we have a key role to play in ensuring that everything moves smoothly. So we thank the court for what has happened, and on the 15th of November, that's a different ball game. He will be in court. He has given us that assurance, and we know that he's going to be. That's fine.
Are you ready to take the challenge of producing him on the arraignment date?
It's not a matter of taking a challenge to produce him. The issue is that the court has granted bail, and the court has said he should be in court on the 15th. He is going to be in court on the 15th. Our duty is to ensure that he's in court, to advise him. That's all. That's all. No, I've given them my favorite. You have it.
What's your problem? No, let us talk. Some say, what's your problem? You don't go talk. Let's go. It's okay. Let's move. Good. Osborne, on la caméra. Eh, bravo. Eh, bravo.